Making clean water easily accessible for people is one of the largest challenges faced by people in today's world, however, one that must be addressed. One of the main issues within this topic is algae pollution, or harmful algal blooms, which are detrimental for marine animals and humans alike. Our research method focuses on ways in which the pollution of algae in bodies of water can be eliminated in an environmentally stable and efficient manner.
Lakes across America are polluted with algae due to increased nitrogen and phosphorus in the waters that fuel algae growth. This algae is highly toxic to animals such as fish, shellfish, and birds, and can make humans sick if ingested, including both ingestion of the water and ingestion of diseased marine animals. Algal blooms also block vital sunlight from the plants and cause oxygen concentration in water to drop when they decay.
Algae blooms thrive off excess nitrogen present in water. Lake Mendota in particular has this problem due to the number of farms in close proximity and their runoff. Fertilizer aids in the growth of algae in the same way it does for crops, by providing the nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus that the organisms need to grow. While this benefits the surrounding areas, the lake now contains high amounts of algae because of the fertilizer used on crops in the Mendota watershed.
Algae pollution in bodies of water is a major issue in today's world, and the focus should be put upon eliminating it. Algal blooms are harmful for the entire marine ecosystem, so that includes all sorts of marine animals, birds, and humans that ingest the water or the diseased animals. To prevent this, less nitrogen and phosphorus containing pesticides should be used by farms and anyone else.
Large-scale treatment methods will take some time to develop. However, there are many things you can personally do to prevent algal blooms in areas around your community. So first, you can allow soil in your community areas to be open and breathable. That means that you should avoid paving over parks and just general areas of soil so that phosphorus can release into the air rather than build up and run off into the lakes. Also, make sure to keep your septic tanks clean and avoid using solvents, and keep additives like plastics and diapers and other waste materials out of the septic tanks. And then another option you can do to prevent algal blooms is to avoid feeding ducks and geese, because they provide waste that releases phosphorus into the lakes and provides the lakes with the opportunity to make these algal blooms. And lastly, make sure to avoid using a generous amount of fertilizer. Make sure to only use as much as you need, and avoid allowing the fertilizer to run off into lakes in your area.
While solutions to the problem will take time to process, we can lessen our impact through preventative measures and better management of our usage of our land.